Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 17th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, gold versus the dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video I made Friday, linked at the end of this video over here. So, gold is still drifting down a little bit. It is making lower lows, lower highs. It does seem pretty likely that the 38.2% Fibonacci level would get hit before we do end up continuing the uptrend. And we do have a big news event, federal funds rate on Wednesday for the US dollar. Now, we do have to be careful, especially trying to go short, because it could possibly just bounce off this 23% and just continue the uptrend. This is a pretty strong trend, and I think there is a pretty good chance we are going to get a push up. The question is whether it's actually even going to go down to the 38% or if it's just going to make a fib at the 23. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I would watch this 23 level pretty closely. If it makes a break or starts it to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long. But it does seem kind of more likely that it probably will make lower lows, lower highs. So if you don't see that break or starts it to the upside, then you really shouldn't be taking any longs, especially on shorter time frames. You really should just continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. Hopefully this week's news will cause this to end the correction and continue the uptrend. I still think this is a wave 3 of 3 on the much longer time frames like the weekly and monthly. If that is the case, this may not even be a 4 or 5. It may be a subdivision of a much larger uptrend, wave 3 on the weekly and monthly. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to take a look at my new website, linked at the corner down here of the video. So as always, thanks and happy trading.